Hello, welcome to the channel. I am Emre Ata. Today on this video I want to show you how to buy on Binance Global USDC. Why? Because of regulation in Europa and many countries, if you buy altcoins, you should buy USDC, deposit money and buy USDC. But if you are living in regulation not affected your country, you can buy BNB or Tether USDT. So on this video, exchange referral codes.com. I am Binance affiliate for 5 years. On this website you will find information about blockchain technology, Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoins. So firstly, we need create account on Binance. If you use my referral code, you will 20% discount you will get. So click this button. On this page, fill this form, email or phone, Google, Apple or Telegram account, and click next. Yes, after we came Binance. Firstly, you should complete KYC, identity approval. With your phone in 5 seconds or 10 seconds you should complete this. After Binance official will reach you. After your account completed, KYC approval finished. This is easy way. Click buy crypto on mobile or desktop, it's same. On this page you can use your debit card, bank card. Click buy and select euro, for example. Yes, euro and USDC. For example, we have 1000 euro. Right here 1000, and with 1000 euro we will buy 1092 USDC and click buy USDC with your debit card. It's so easy. So if you want to buy on market, if you don't want to use this page, easy buying page, for example, you can buy BNB with 1000 euro. You will get almost 2 BNB. Click buy BNB. So we have 2 BNB, for example. In our account we have 2 BNB. How to buy USDC? Click market on hamburger menu. Click any coin or here BNB. Click BNB. And this is market page. If you are nervous, don't afraid this page. It's not complicated. Trust me. Right here BNB. Search page and find here USDC. Now we have 2 BNB, don't forget. So red color sellers, green colors buyers, and this is red color in middle, green color in middle, current price on BNB. So we have 2 BNB, click sell BNB. If you want sell fast under current price, first one, clicked here, same number, we have 2 BNB. So with 2 BNB, if we sell 2 BNB, we will have 1230 USDC, and click sell BNB. And now on our spot account have 1230 USDC. It's so easy. Yes. If you need more information about blockchain technology, Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum, BNB, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com. Thanks for watching. Emre Ata.